This 2007 Ford Ranger was nearly ready for the scrapyard. We've given it a full respray, sorted out all the rust. Lovely alloy wheels that we've had blasted, powder coated back to silver, like original. Every door full of rust at the top of each door. Take it back to bare metal and then give it a fresh lick of paint. This bed is back to original condition. Pull bar that's been powder coated the tow bar. We've got it back to pretty much original now. Have a look how good this truck looks.